nice.
Oh, really?
Whoa.
One gator, but
Wow.
Hey. Every time they tell me they've been out here before,
Yeah.
I got sweat. Alligator.
Wow.
we saw one last time, and that was our first time.
Wow.
Yeah, just, I like the boat, much less, you know.
Hopefully the
Wow.
next spot we're going into, I've had them there all day yesterday.
Wow.
Hopefully they stay there.
Is it hunting season now?
I think hunting season ended last weekend.
Okay, so it's...
They got some of our gators out there. Shot one right at the dock. Yeah.
Wow.
What do they do, rifle?
Well, they had to snag them, and then they use a bang stick, or this guy had a pistol and put the bullet in his head.
I'm surprised they let them hunt that close to your dock.
Well, it was a nuisance, they would consider it, because it was at the dock. And this one would shoot up out of the water onto the dock.
Wow. Wow. Whoa.
You're getting friendly now.
Yeah, too friendly.
I don't know if they'll let you smuggle it.
I know.
You just have to get down in the water and lift them out.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And they don't let go very easily.
No, they
Whoa.
don't. You usually have to chop that head off.
Oh no.
You won't be saying that if he's got your hand in it.
Can you get it off of me?
Hey, son. All right.